Right, hello there YouTube. I got a video request from someone saying I would like to see the alarm go without the horns attached. So I'll do that. But what I've got to do quickly is I've got to unplug that. Just want to make sure that's unplugged, just because that's the siren, which I've hotwired myself. And also I've got a switch right here which will cut the horn off. See, if I push the horn right now, no noise, but as long as you can hear the relay clicking. Well, I'm going to disconnect that. Tuck that somewhere. Alright, tuck that wire somewhere and push that down. Alright, so all you do is rock it once. Just got the keys out of my pocket. Here we go. Wait a minute. About 10 seconds actually. So yeah. You can hear that. The fifth alarm's clicked in. Lift that up. Alright. There we go. So we'll stop after 30 seconds. Oh yeah. And then unlock, you can hear the relay. Listen carefully. That's the relay clicking 5 times. And now, you see on the dash? Alarm activated, alarm activated. Hey, good news, good news. Alright, thank you for watching. It's a bit hot today, but I just want to get back inside because I'm sweating. It's hot today. And alright, so thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Give me a comment if you need any suggestions. If you got any suggestions, just give me a comment. Alright, thank you for watching. See ya.